Well, David, this is kind of exciting. This is from WWT locally. Governor Pillen signs charter allowing Norfolk Company to operate as first of its kind digital asset bank. Nebraska lands the nation's first digital asset bank. Should we be celebrating? Should we be worried?
Yeah,
What's
I
the
did
story?
not have that on Polymarket as the first state to get a digital asset
Right.
bank would literally be Nebraska. But we are, and that is really cool because digital assets are here to stay. So we've been talking about the cryptocurrency market, digital assets in general. And what this is mainly to do is to facilitate transactions with what we call stablecoins.
What is a stable coin?
So a stable coin is meant to be a digital coin, a cryptocurrency that is stable in value, like a money market.
Well, that's been one of the problems, right? The digital currencies, they're so volatile.
Well, and that's just it. So Bitcoin is a store of value. It is not, in my humble opinion, a digital currency, although it can be used as currency because it can swing wildly. And it's got hammered down here recently from its high of almost 125,000. It broke 90,000 here this week. So that's, a 30% drop in the price, and it's dropped 70% at least 4 times in the last decade or so. So stable coins, on the other hand, are meant to be backed by stable assets. And typically that's going to be U.S. Treasuries. This is a windfall, by the way, for those leading our Treasury Department, et cetera, because if this creates demand for U.S. Treasuries to back stable coins, they will have a guaranteed buyer as these stable coins become more popular. So the big one's called Ripple, or XRP. And so now we're going to have banks that will facilitate these transactions. Now, why is this important? For Nebraska farmers that are exporting soybeans and corn to foreign purchasers, they can do the transaction via this bank and get it done much cheaper than traditional methods, saving them maybe 2% on said transaction.
Boy, that could add up.
Well, so let's just say that you're selling to a co-op and the co-op sells, call it $1 million worth of beans, right, to a foreign entity. And that transfer comes in, we save 2%. Well, that's $20,000 for every $1 million worth of, and we're selling hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars of these products overseas. So this is going to expedite the acceleration of using digital currencies to monitor these or to facilitate these transactions. And again, I think it's pretty cool that the first one is right here in Nebraska. And so that's something our ag businesses, I think, will long-term benefit immensely from. Now, we'll wait and see how this all pans out. Again, there's going to be more of these popping up not only here, but across the country. And you're going to see the way money gets transferred internationally change a ton in the next 3 years. Hey, if you're looking for more content like this, make sure you check out these videos. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when we publish more content that will help you retire smart. Thanks for watching.